Yeah, everybody, the yeeps update came out yesterday, and I haven't even checked it out. But yeah, we're gonna buy the bundle first. So yeah, let's go do that. Ow. But I mean, you know, we can't go buying the bundle without the camera recording us doing it. Guys, this isn't a joke this time. I wasn't lying. Yeah! TikTok style. And it may be still going on for you, but so my mobile app crashed again, but we're at the exact same spot as before. I built this while it crashed because I didn't notice it crashed, but I realized that before it crashed, there's a part that got cut out of the video for no reason, where I bought this stuff. Well, I already own this. But if I join this team, I'm at 5,800 cotton. And now to get 50,000. Where did my camera go? Oh, why is there no dot in the middle of the screen? And now welcome to the 50,000 cotton club. And it's weird to have 4 bubbles too. Oh, and yeah, here's a clip of me buying this stuff. Because I own VR headsets now. But, hey, you guys want to see something cool? Hey, guys, it's your turn to go in the plane. What you guys are seeing is the same thing what I'm seeing on my headset. Because I own VR headsets. Ugh! This is weird. I don't know how to fly this. Wait, Camera, get out of there. I'm not supposed to be in there anyway. Hey, I'll put the video link in description where, Pugsley VR got 10 million cotton in a lab version. Was that always there? Was that color always there? Was that color always there? Hold up, can you guys... Hold up. Am I tweaking? I swear, I'm not tweaking. On the VR... Hold up. I need to put this into the video. Okay, I just switched to the headset for the video. Look. I can switch to the mobile app and you do not see that like color. No wonder it looks like I'm floating. I do own everything. I said shoot. Ew. So yeah, stop recording on the headset. Okay. Since Sonic 3 like came out like a month ago when I finally got to watch it, my next video after this one will be Again. Bro, is that on the normal shop? Or am I just tweaking? Bro, why is there color all over this stuff? Hold up. Remember how Gorilla Tag had a Pride update and something was rainbow? I think they released the yeah, I'm pretty sure that's why it's there. Are we getting a yeeps Pride update? But enough about that. Oh, this also got cut out of the video. I named it to recording studio, changed a bunch of stuff, but we're gonna check out some stuff, and also putting a montage in this video. Actually, Sonic 3. What I was talking about, Sonic 3. The end credits song. I'm gonna make a montage with that song in the video.
Still might not.
Bro, stop!
She already said she don't have time.
I don't got no time for that.
Well, then why don't you try?
Stop! Oh, at least he doesn't get to get us here. Oh, shoot.
Right. What's a raid station?
Don't worry about that. Trust.
Oh, dude, why are you trying to hit me, dude? It's not nice, dude.
Bro, it's the main meaning of the map.
I know, dude, but it's
Come
not
on,
that nice.
Come on, dude.
I know. Killing people is so mean,
I
man.
gotta respawn.
I know, dude.
I gotta respawn. I gotta respawn.
That was a nice try, though. A good try.
Wait, how do you get the raid station?
My only job's to snipe. I'm really good at it, cause any of our teammates need reviving or something.
I think my aim assist is disabled. No wonder.
Oh, come on, I
I'm not
shot you there.
hitting. Here, grapple up. Disable.
That's not nice.
Thank you. I'm gonna. Oh yes.
Here, have a grappler.
Have a grappler. I'm like you. You have a cupcake.
Oh no, I'm good.
Chicken gummed wop.
White, yo.
Walter White.
I don't have enough cotton, but sure. Hey, yo, purple team, I'm gonna revive.
Wait, how do you do it?
Don't get in a row.
Hey, stop eating my base, please.
I don't. It's the main reason of this map. Okay, I think that's enough battle for now. Next video will be a montage.
Ow.
Guys,
Look in the mirror. Scrap as a bullet.
we're just.
Damn, I love my.
Oh shoot! How did you get that directly on our base? Well,
Hey, yo, purple team, I'm reviving.
You don't need a revive.
This is my favorite stuff, dude. Yeah, it's fun, too.
where am I? Yay!
Revive.
You guys don't see what I see. Oh yeah, you actually do. But you can't see my bubbles, and you can't see that I have a VR headset and a missile and a crossbow, so I can shoot.
I know, it's tight, yo.
See, I
Bro.
built some defense, too. But we should probably
Put it
go
in.
down the revive thing.
Eh?
That is a good idea.
Hear me? Oh, put it inside. Yay! Where do I shoot it? Oh no! Wait, can I missile ride while I have the
Give me
camera?
my controller.
That was not a missile ride.
Wait, how do you do it?
Yeah, I did it.
Hey, that's not very nice. I had
Okay,
zero
yeah,
thought
we're
in it. I
making
still
this video
somehow
like
died.
5 hours long. Oh yay! I love cartoons.
It's not sudden death yet, actually. That's why.
Guess it's round 3.
Round 3. Fight. Oh no, it's sudden death. I'm good.
Hold up. Wait a minute. There's another border.
I own them, luckily.
I'm coming down.
Hey, your
I'm
team
coming
helped
in.
me. He seems to be
Mother-
attacking me.
I'm coming down.
Any chuckles? I chuckle a lot.
I own everything.
Why did I just do that? Killed myself.
Yo, purple team, revive us! Purple team, revive!
It's sudden death. We can't.
Revive me now.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
you can.
If you don't, I will find where you live. I will say your IP address out loud.
Get ready!
Who's yelling? Very
Revive.
annoying.
Yes, revive.
Do you not? Or do you
Okay,
want to?
it's time for talking with Timmy.
Oh, someone's
Time
on
to
here.
record talking with Timmy. We have to record talking with Timmy.
Why?
How do you?
Because it's for the commercial in my YouTube video.
I'm dead.
Welcome to
How about I
Talking
eat
with
this?
Timmy. No!
Oh yeah, we're dead.
Where did he go?
Right there. I'll be your camera crew.
Oh yeah,
No, he left.
got Timmy. Welcome to Timmy Talking with Timmy. In today's episode, I don't know my name. Ah, where did I go?
Killed the last person.
What is this?
Cooking with
Hi.
Kaya. Cooking with yeeps.
I did it. I'm somehow not alive anymore. Talking with Timmy lays on the floor.
Cooking with yeeps.
Hey guys, it's me, Timmy. I'm laying on the floor for no reason. I want to get to stand on my body.
Cooking with Jacob.
I'm gonna die.
Jacob.
Guys, we got cooking with Timmy.
Dude.
Where did Timmy go? I don't know
Come
why.
on, you know how to play this game?
You better. Timmy, what did you do? I did nothing. I committed 73 war crimes yesterday by shooting 93 old men that were innocent and did nothing wrong. And then I killed the police. Yeah. And also, I can't move.
Destroy their ship as much as you want.
It's time for Talking with Timmy, episode 2. I only have 2 fingers. Stop. I don't think there's anybody behind the camera recording my. I didn't do that. It's Talking with Timmy. Who is doing this? Ah! He put it inside of his. Don't shoot the camera.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Okay, yeah, it's time for Talking with Timmy. Got replaced with nobody. No, I grabbed the camera.
Let's
And
go.
Timmy,
Nobody won.
where did you go?
Okay, where's
I
little
eat
Timmy?
you.
I'm gonna kill you.
You're not Timmy.
Okay, now that's gone.
Eat the
Wait,
camera.
guys, anybody
I
know
own
where the
rocket
Buckley
launchers. What about
statue
you?
Timmy, why do you keep on dying? We need you for the
died?
Talking with Timmy TV show.
Wait, my name's Timmy now?
No.
Oh.
Okay,
Cameraman's here.
everybody, it's Talking with Timmy, episode 2, and I commit 73 war crimes, and yeah.
Purple team.
Um,
Guys, please have mercy.
I died.
Yeah, what you're seeing isn't real. I'm in heaven now. So is Dragony. Get the camera, Dragony. I'm not in heaven. He's still alive. He's lying.
Assassination.
He's just trying to get views on his TV show. Timmy.
I have a better idea. Put Timmy in a fighter jet.
Put Timmy in the fighter jet. Hello, everybody. It's me, Timmy in a fighter jet. I sound older now.
Don't grab those stuff, kid. Now I'm Timmy in a tank.
Ew, why does he look like that though?
No. I'm taking this.
Guys, we got Timmy in a tank. Where's Timmy in the fighter jet?
Can I put Timmy in the rock? Can I put Timmy in the
Oh, okay.
Timmy in a bazooka.
Timmy in a bazooka.
Timmy in a bazooka. Timmy in a bazooka.
I want a fighter jet so I can put Timmy inside one.
Timmy in a bazooka. Timmy in a bazooka.
Bro, I need to put Timmy in a fighter jet. I need to put Timmy in a fighter jet.
You're welcome. Finally, I'm back on purple. I did.
I'm on purple.
Ruin me.
I somehow sound like Timmy, but Timmy sounds like this now.
Guys,
sound
we're
like
gonna need some
Timmy.
reinforcements, I think.
Bro, guys, did me and Timmy swap voices? By the way, that was Timmy that said that. Yeah, that's me.
I'm looking for.
And this is Dragon. No! Where did he go? I wonder where he went. Can you help me find him? You're really getting recorded on camera. It's time for Dora the Explorer. Yeah! Does it look like? Oh my god! It's time for talking with Timmy. I am no longer Timmy. I am the new dragon. And if you think I'm not the new dragony, I will kill you. It's time for Dragony talks. Yeah, it went from talking with Timmy to talking with me.
Oh, that's weird. That's weird. When I shot this,
Yeah, but for some
everyone
reason,
has
me and
guns.
Timmy have the same voice now. Why, Timmy? Why'd you say that?
Shark.
I did.
Purple.
Bro,
again.
what are you talking about?
I've not been
Timmy
purple
talking
all
here.
day.
I got thrown out a wall yesterday, and somehow I'm still alive.
bro,
Let's don't not some tempered class.
Where are the buckling stashes?
I've only been on the purple team all day. Let me go on yellow team for once. Every day.
I son. That's my kid. Now put him away.
Okay, num num num.
Bye bye. I'm gonna leave you guys. Me. Where did Timmy go? Put him back in the camera net. No.
We should all kill him.
Nobody killed Timmy.
I have an RPG now.
An RPG.
yo, what's up? This guy has Timmy. This guy right here has Timmy.
Why is it? Why does Timmy look like the camera now?
Hey, look at Timmy, look at Timmy.
Hey, look.
No, Timmy, give me, can I have Timmy, please? Give me Timmy.
No, I'm not letting you have him.
Don't moan like that, bro. Do not.
Timmy.
And now I'm gonna kill myself.
Finish. Do you?
I'm committing suicide.
Bro, shut up.
But
No one wants to hear.
steak. Why am I? Yay! I killed some. Hey Timmy,
Does anyone?
you know what it's time for? It's time for talking with Timmy.
Yes. Wait, go. Come down here.
It's time for talking with Timmy.
Because I've been sniping them.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, hello.
Like ender pearls? Does anyone?
Where did Timmy go? You may be asking. He went right here.
Maybe something to the other side.
And now it's time to put him in the corner for after throwing a nuke at us.
No, it's not. It's like Minecraft, bro. It's like
And now we put Timmy inside coral.
No, they don't.
Timmy, This is your punishment for putting 2 nukes in the video. Bro, you're not supposed to do that on camera. Timmy, where did you go? Timmy. Oh,
We won!
Yo, guys!
Bazooka!
I'm built.
Did Timmy just pull out a bazooka and switched it? Oh no, wait. Timmy, why did you press the button to swap our voices?
We are all.
How dare you press that
bro.
button, Timmy? Well, I didn't press anything.
He owns up.
Why do you sound like me?
Hey, what can I have one? Me? Thank you, bro.
And why do I sound like you?
Yo, we're better. We're stronger. We're better. We're all Amirs.
Okay, guys, it's time to kill somebody because I said so. Who cares? We're just gonna revive. Hey, Timmy, you wanna know what it's time for? It's time to kill you. Yes! Timmy, I'm going to personally murder.
No! We drink milk!
Bro, come on.
We be
What was that for?
stronger.
I never heard that before. What does that mean? It means we turn on a teleporter and we put you inside. And then we get the camera so everybody can watch Timmy live his fatal life. And now he's dead. This video is like 40 minutes long. Oh my god, how long do I have to edit this video? Wait, not again. No.
I love
We
you,
are
stupid.
Timmy, how are you alive? I thought I threw you into the different.
We stronger. We drink milk. We be
You killed the yellow
stronger. We drink milk.
Okay, why is it so loud? I'm
There
going
could be a
to battle
bazooka
with
there.
you.
Hey, kill the guy.
We are better and stronger.
Who threw the car over? Who threw the car over?
Ow. Ah.
What? There's so much more things in this tech.
Pig on the left. Pig on the right. I'm busy finding where someone lives. Why is there just a plane? Pig on the left. Pig on the right. It's gonna be a wild night tonight. Timmy, where did you go again?